Good morning children. Now I am taking English subject children. Today I will explain about rhyming words and how to pick up the rhyming words from the poem The Blind Beggar. Okay children, now open page number 30. Poem The Blind Beggar. See the poem children in your textbook. Each morning as I go to school, if I am not too late, I stand to watch the beggar man beside the temple gate. See children, from this stanza, now pick up the rhyming words. Children, in previous classes I told how to pick the rhyming words from the poem. How to find the rhyming words from the poem? In each line, last word we have to take the word as rhyming word. Okay. Now observe the first line, last word. Each morning as I go to school. Here which is the last word? School. Yes, no? S-C-H-O-O-L, school. If I am not too late. Last word is late. I stand to watch the beggar man. Last word, man. Beside the temple gate. Gate. Here, which words are rhyming words? See, rhyming words are set of words. In all the words are both the words, the ending sounds are similar or same. Such words we call as rhyming words. Here, children, late gate. Are they rhyming words? Yes. Late gate. Next, see the second stanza children. He always sits in that same place. He has now here to leave. See in both the lines, last words are place, leave. He sits and clangs his begging bowl. Last word is bowl. And cries for all to give. Last word is here give. Next children, here place, lie, leave, bowl, give. Here which are the rhyming words? Leave, give. Leave, give. See, in both the words, the ending sound is same, no? Leave, give. Now see the first stanza. I must not spoke the beggar man. I must not mock his cry. See here, last words are man, cry. See the next line. He has no friends to keep him good. Good. Untidy, that is why. Here the last word, why. See children, in these words, which are the rhyming words? Cry, why? Because in both the words, ending sounds are same. Yes, no children? Yes. Cry, why? See the fourth stanza. He cannot see the city dawns, a clean blue sky behind. He cannot see me stand because that beggar man is blind. He cannot see the city dawns. Here the last word is dawns. Okay. A clean blue sky. Here a clean blue sky behind. Which is here last word? Behind. He cannot see me stand because that beggar man is blind. See in this line which is the last word? Blind. See in these four words which are the rhyming words? Dawns, because, behind, blind. Dawns, because, then behind, blind. Okay, now see the last stanza children. Although his voice hoarse and loud. Here which is the last word? Loud. And though he cannot see. See. God loves that poor old beggar man as much as he loves me. See children here, which are the rhyming words? See, me. See children, like this, late, gate. In both the words, ending sounds are similar. Then late, gate is the rhyming words. They are the rhyming words. L-I-V-E, leave, give. Here also ending sounds are same. Then leave and give are rhyming words. Cry, why. Then dawns, because. See children, in both the word, the ending letters here, yes, there is e, but sounding is same. Then we say dawns and because are the rhyming words. Behind, blind. Then see, me. These are the some of the rhyming words. Okay children, which are late, gate, leave, give, cry, why, dawns, because, behind, blind, see, me. Okay. Now come to page number 31. Say the meanings children. Clangs. Clangs means dull metallic sound. Poke. Poke means push sharply. Dome means a rounded roof. Mock, make fun. Hoarse. Hoarse means rough and harsh voice. Okay. Now come to answer the following questions. Children, I will ask the question children. Try to say answers. Okay. Where does the boy go every morning? Whom does he meet daily? Where does the boy go every morning? Where does he go? He go to school. Yes, no children? The boy goes every morning to school. Whom does he meet daily? He meets a bigger man. He meets a bigger man daily. Where does the bigger man sit daily? Where does the bigger man sit daily? Beggar man sits daily in the same place beside the what? Where? Temple gate. Beside the temple gate. Then what should we not do to the beggar? We should not do the beggar what children? We should not poke the beggar and not mock the beggar. Okay. Next, did he have friends? Can we see? See, did the beggar man have any friends? No, the beggar man did not have any friends. Okay. Can he see? No, he cannot see because he was blind. See the fifth question children. With whom does the poet compare God's love for beggar man? See the last answer children for the answer for that question. And though his voice hoarse and loud, and though he cannot see, God loves that poor old beggar man as much as he loves me. Means here, the poet compares God's love for beggar as much as God's loves to whom? School boy. Okay. The poet compares God's love for the beggar man as much as God loves to the school boy. Okay. Now come to the last week children. This is the grammar. Pick and tick the adjectives. See children, adjectives means what? See, so what starting classes I explained about parts of speech, no children? What is the definition of adjectives? See, adjectives are the words. They are describing nouns. Describing words are called adjectives. Okay. For example, tall girl. How is the girl? Tall. Here the word tall describing a girl. Then tall is an adjective. Okay. Big tree. How is the tree? The tree is big. Here the word big is adjective. Here the word big is describing to the what? Tree. See, describing words are called adjectives. Okay. Here given children some words. So in this you pick up or underline the adjectives. Okay. See the first one. Beggar man. Beggar man. How is the man? Beggar man. So beggar is the adjective. Okay. Same place. Same is the adjective. Underline to it. Begging bowl. Begging. Horse voice. How is the voice? Horse. Means very hard. Here the word horse describing voice. Okay. Horse voice. Okay children. Horse is the what that loud voice. Then how is the voice? Horse voice. Horse is the adjective. Blind beggar. Blind beggar. How is the beggar? Blind. See here, blind is the adjective word. Each morning. Here, each is the adjective. Okay, children. So, like the adjective or the words, they are describing noun. Or describing words are called adjectives. Okay, children. I hope children you understood about rhyming words and what orally I asked the question answers no about that, and also you understood about the adjectives. Okay children, thank you.